Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is Saturday and I'm taking a trip right now to go over the Bronx to look for one of my mommy's best friend. Haven't seen her in years. We have some baby pictures together with, you know, us and her daughter and stuff like that. So I'm going over there to go look for her and stuff. So right now I'm making my way to the train station and take a train from there to Penn Station and then a next train from there to Bronx. So I'm going to enjoy my trip. Check out my beat, check out my beat, check out my beat, check out my beat. Boy, looking all sexy and thing. But here on, I'll catch you guys on the train. So keep safe, it's JVLOGS. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm here at the train station waiting for the train. It's way up high though. So if you fall and you die. Hey, watch those movies or those funny videos on Facebook where I think it's India. The guy was making a lot of noise with the train and it was just a little bike going through on the tracks. That does remind me of the thing there, the train tracks and stuff like that. Yeah, but it's cool. It's getting cold. Probably because they're up so high, you know, cooler when they go further up in altitude. But waiting for the train because I missed the first one that leave 10:09. This one is going to leave 10:38. So it's going to come soon. So I want to catch it. I want to catch it when it's coming in. So I think it might be coming in from track 1 because I'm at track, oh, this is track 2. As you can see right there, we have track 1, we have track 2. Oh, okay, I guess the train coming in. So I'm gonna try and catch it when it's coming in. Yeah. So I'm here at Penn Station. Now I have to find my destination upstairs and so on, and then find where I'm going after this point. I'm lost. Best believe it. So I'm gonna try and see if I can find where I'm going because this is complex. But
no matter what
I'm looking for 40 seconds. Subway map. 40 seconds.
How I waited for this moment. Be by your side.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try and find where I'm going and then I'll vlog again because I can't vlog and try to find where I'm going. So yeah, that's the thing right now. Because this place is too big. And yeah. Super. So this lighting gave me a lot of justice, but I found my way to the train. I'm going to Uptown Bronx. So that's where I'm going. So I found it and so I'm just waiting. It's next 2 minutes and then I'll get on the train and then I'll go up there and then I'll come out. So far so good. Making my trip, making my journey. making my journey. So yeah, I'm happy that I found my way. It was a bit of hassle, but I made it through. So I'm good. So I found my way. I'm under the train tracks now, as you can see. I gave you guys a view of that. I'm in Bronx, Uptown Bronx. Well, a bit scary, but but it's different and I like difference. So, you know, I'm kind of, it's cool. It's cool. So, yeah, I like that. So, I'm meeting up with my mommy best friend, you know, auntie. So come back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So, this young lady right here, we have a lot of history. Grew up together. Right?
Yes.
I haven't seen her for what?
Years, maybe
Years.
almost 20 years.
No, I'm not that old. I'm almost 25, so it's like 15 years, right?
Yeah.
Around that 15 years, so yeah. And that's her mommy right there. She's on the phone, so I'll show you guys later. But we're on the road, we're doing the road. Oh, this is Sasha Gay. My gingerbread and jelly bean, that's what I call him. So that's Sasha Gay. And this is Florine, my mommy best friend.
What is this?
Out on the road. Mommy going to watch it, you know, so she'll have it soon, you know.
Hello. I'm here for a return.
So, gonna shop around and thing, and then, you know, head back home. We're in the line, we're in Marshall's right now.
In a very long line.
Yeah, the line. Let me show you guys the line. So
I had to be nervous just to be in the movie theater today.
line starts way back around here. And it curls and go around to the cashier over there. So it's like 3 rows going around. So this is how crazy it is up in here. Over here, crawling like snails, slowly going through the line.
She's like so much she doesn't know right now, so I'm not gonna wait. Like I need.
Alright, so I'm heading back over to Long Island now. The visit was great. I enjoyed it. She's my godmother. She, you know more before me even born. So, you know, mommy best friend. It was really good meeting of Sasha Gay again. You know, after so many years. Really nice people, and you know, I love them. So, you know, it was a day well spent. So I'm really happy. So heading back over to Long Island now and thing. So journey with me, guys, journey with me. Alright guys, it's the end of the day. I'm walking home now. Whew. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching today's vlog. Thanks a lot. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Remember that you should enjoy life while you have it. Life is precious and you must try your very best to go out, have fun, go on vacation like me, plan ahead, you know, stuff like that, and enjoy yourself. It makes no sense to be working all the day life. You just work, and you're not enjoying, you know, the fruits of your labor. You know, it's there for everyone to enjoy. So you just have to plan with friends and family, or even plan by yourself and go out and enjoy yourself. So that is just my little message to all my gingerbread and jelly bean, and for all the new gingerbread and jelly bean that's watching. Always try and find a way to have fun and enjoy life, you know. Make the best of it while we have it. So thanks again, guys. Later. I'm tired. Oh God. Oh, blah 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 blah.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.